Samsung is preparing for a major July launch with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, but the standard Fold 8 is already in the spotlight as excitement builds quickly. The more affordable foldable has now made its first surprise public appearance, instantly boosting hype ahead of its official debut. The alleged Galaxy Z Fold 8 was recently spotted in a restaurant in South Korea, where two blurry real-world photos quickly surfaced online. Even though the images are not very clear, they still give one of the earliest real glimpses of Samsung's next-generation foldable in action. In one photo, the device is seen resting on a table inside a protective case, subtly revealing its presence. In another, it appears to be in use, showing what looks like a dual camera setup on the back. Despite the low image quality, the design difference is obvious. The Fold 8 looks noticeably wider and shorter than previous Galaxy Z Fold models, matching earlier leaked renders. Interestingly, the device was first rumored to launch as the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, but Samsung now seems to be simplifying the name and may release it simply as the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Reports suggest strong internal upgrades, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy processor, 12 GB of RAM, at least 256 GB of storage, and a 4,800 mAh battery. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Fold 8 Ultra are expected to feature a 200-megapixel main camera with OIS, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and dual 10-megapixel front cameras. The Ultra model may also add a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom and a larger 5,000 mAh battery. With real-world leaks now appearing and launch day getting closer, Samsung's next foldable lineup is creating massive anticipation. With the official launch getting closer, excitement around Samsung's next-generation foldable phones is growing very fast. Samsung seems to be working behind the scenes at full speed, getting important regulatory approvals for its upcoming devices. Recently, two powerful models called the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide and the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra appeared in South Korea's Safety Korea certification database, creating a strong buzz among tech fans. The model numbers SMF971 and SMF976N are believed to represent the Korean versions of these new foldables. If leaks are correct, the Wide version brings a completely new design approach, while the Ultra continues Samsung's premium fold legacy. Although the certification does not reveal full specifications, it clearly shows that Samsung is in the final stage of preparation before launch. Interestingly, both devices are listed as tablet PCs, which highlights their large and immersive display experience. The Fold 8 Wide is expected to feature a 7.6-inch folding screen with a more tablet-like 4:3 aspect ratio, designed for better productivity and multitasking. On the other hand, the Fold 8 Ultra is expected to offer an even larger 8-inch display, making it Samsung's most advanced foldable yet. Even though nothing is officially confirmed yet, everything suggests that the launch is very close. The Galaxy Unpacked event is rumored for July 22, and the Galaxy Z Flip 8 is also expected to arrive alongside these new Fold devices, completing Samsung's next big foldable lineup. The foldable revolution is about to get even more exciting, and Samsung might be preparing one of its most powerful upgrades yet. Samsung Display reportedly surprised the tech world earlier this year by quietly showcasing a near-creaseless foldable OLED panel at MWC. This breakthrough display is now strongly expected to power the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, hinting at a massive leap in foldable design. Now, fresh rumors are turning heads. Well-known tipster Ice Universe claims that Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 8 series could achieve crease control on par with the Oppo Find N6. Oppo recently impressed the industry with its almost invisible crease, made possible through a high-precision, three-dimensional printing process that smooths out internal display gaps.